I am not a number. My number in residential school is 54. All through school I could hear number 54. Close the window. Number 54. Erase the blackboard. Number 54. Stand in the corner. And the Schnabek were never asked if they wanted the Indian Act. Whatever happened to as long as the river flows, as long as the sun shines, or as long as the grass grows? Empty words. Treaties all across Turtle Island were either amended, broken, terminated, or not honored. Optic Mawawin Nakit Mong Mondake Dakim now. Sameshkam Shnachtigade and Sabebeshik Gishgak. My band number is 1570166301. I am not a number. My name is Mary Elizabeth Wemigwans. I am a Nishnabekwe. I am cutting up my status card today as I don't want to be a number anymore.